Aloysia virgata, or the almond bush, is a medium to a large shrub or can be a small tree. It is growing outside my backyard fence, and as the name suggests, these really small inconspicuous flowers coming on this inflorescence do give out a strong fragrance reminiscent of the almond essence or the almond extract. I am not too much of a fan of the fragrance up close, so it is on the outside of my fence in my backyard. From a distance though, the fragrance is quite unique and it does waft. The leaves are really, the texture of the leaves is rough in texture. It's almost like it has a velcro aspect or a look to it on the upper side. That's my little jaguar barking in the background. It is in full sun and it does bloom periodically for me. I will take this to the back to show you the entire extent of the plant. That is the entire extent of the shrub for me. I guess I could clean this up a little bit more to make it into a small tree. I would probably attempt to do that once the flowering is done, but for now it's in bloom and I'll just leave it as such. It can be maintained in a small pot. For many years I did have it in a small 8-inch pot, and it did bloom on a very small plant also. For someone that likes a fragrant garden, I think they can definitely try this one out. Thank you for watching. Before I close off on the clip, I would like to show you another favorite of mine, although it is not in bloom and I am still anxiously waiting for the blooms. This is Millingtonia hortensis. Can be a really large tree. It is about 8 feet tall for me, and again very close to the back preserve. It's one of my favorite flowering trees and I am waiting. Thank you for watching.